Hi guys, do this to obtain Plotagon story for life. Hundreds of users have obtained Plotagon story for life with just these three simple steps. Once you complete the steps, then you become a student in our academy, which will guarantee you the access to Plotagon application and other application as well. Note, you are not hacking. They are not infringing the right of Plotagon, neither are you rooting your phone, which could lead you to serious damage. Okay, so if you are the type looking for something to hack Plotagon, please, this video is not for you. But this video is for those who actually want to have a Plotagon story for life on their mobile device. And once you look at Plotagon website, from what I'm showing you presently, you will see an academic license. So from there, once you join our once you become our student, then you have the benefit to use the academic license for your terminations. Okay, so that is does it. What we are doing here is to help you out and to make your life a better place with Plotagon. So to do these simple steps, what you need to do is to click on the link below and let's begin the process. I can't wait to see you. Happy terminating with Plotagon. Bye for now. One love. Kacha.